In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to renew an expired domain on Hostinger step by step. If your website suddenly went offline, your email stopped working, or you received a domain expiration notice, don't worry. In most cases, you can quickly reactivate your domain directly from your Hostinger dashboard. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can get your domain back up and running fast. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical hosting tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password associated with your Hostinger account, then sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll see your main account overview. Next, go to the Billing section. On the top menu, click on Billing. Inside Billing, select Services. This area shows all the services connected to your account, including hosting plans and domains. This is where you'll find any expired or suspended domains that need attention. Now, scroll down to the Domain section. Here you'll see a list of all domains registered under your account. Look carefully at the Status column. If your domain has expired, it will show as expired or sometimes suspended. Once you find the domain you want to renew, click on the Manage button next to it. This will open the domain management page where you can take action. On the domain management screen, look for a button that says Renew Domain, Renew Now, or Reactivate Domain. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your account status, but the function is the same. Click that button to begin the renewal process. After clicking Renew, you'll be asked to choose your renewal period. You can usually select between 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. Choosing multiple years can sometimes save you money and also prevents you from accidentally forgetting to renew again next year. Select the option that works best for you, then click Continue to Payment. Now you'll be taken to the checkout page. Review the total amount carefully to make sure everything looks correct. Then choose your preferred payment method. Hostinger typically supports credit cards, PayPal, and other local payment methods depending on your country. Enter your payment details and complete the transaction. Once your payment is successfully processed, your domain will begin the reactivation process. In most cases, the domain is reactivated almost immediately. However, DNS propagation can take a little time. Your website and email services may take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes to start working again, and in rare cases, up to a few hours depending on DNS updates. If your domain was expired for only a short period, renewal is usually straightforward. However, if it has been expired for a long time, it might enter a redemption period, where additional fees could apply. So it's always best to renew as soon as possible to avoid extra costs or losing the domain completely. And that's it. That's exactly how you renew an expired domain on Hostinger. Log in, go to Billing, select Services, find your expired domain, click Manage, choose Renew, select your renewal period, and complete the payment. Simple and quick. If this tutorial helped you fix your domain issue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger and website management guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.